You're not broke because of rent. You're broke because of Netflix, DoorDash, Spotify, Amazon Prime, and 12 other subscriptions you forgot you had. Welcome to the new financial trap of 2025, subscription debt. And today, I'm showing you how to escape it before it buries your budget. Hey, I'm here and this is your channel, where we expose the hidden traps in your wallet and teach you how to build real wealth. If you're ready to take back control of your money, hit that subscribe button. Audit. Every subscription use apps like Rocket, Money, or Truebill to scan your bank account. You'll be shocked most people have 10 plus active subscriptions they don't use. Categorize essential versus emotional. Netflix might be your Friday night therapy, but is it worth $240 a year? Be honest, is it essential or emotional? Cancel in clusters. Don't cancel one at a time, cancel in clusters. Group your, cut streaming, delivery, fitness, and slash them all at once. It's a mindset shift. Replace with free alternatives, YouTube for entertainment, public libraries for audiobooks, meal prep instead of Uber Eats. You're not giving up. Value, you're reclaiming control. Redirect the savings. Every dollar you save from canceled subscriptions, redirect it to a high-yield savings account or your Roth IRA. That's how you build wealth in silence. Subscription debt is sneaky, but now you're smarter. Drop a dollar emoji in the comments if you're canceling something today. Like this video if you're done being drained by digital debt, and subscribe for weekly money moves that actually work.